Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle disc brake rotor in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle disc brake rotors to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe and are up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is KCNC Caster disc brake rotor. Specifications. Model number, KCNC Caster. Size, 180 mm. Use mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, steel. Braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad. Components, disc brake. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 is Bucklo's RTMT860 bike brake disc. Specifications. Brand name, Bucklo's. Model, RTMT860. Type, disc brake. Size, 160 mm. Use, cruisers, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, steel. Braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad. Components, disc brake. Color, black and silver. Weight, 167 g. Thickness, 1.8 mm. As the item number 3 we've selected, bicycle brake 160 mm disc brake rotor. Specifications. Brand name, Huijing. Type, hydraulic disc brake. Use, BMX, cruisers, kids bikes, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, carbon steel. Braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad. Components, disc brake. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is Shimano RTMT905 rotor. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, RTMT905. Type, disc brake. Average weight 147, 180 mm, 187, 203 mm. Remarks. With anti-loose tightening plate. Origin, JP Origin. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Shimano CenterLock disc rotor. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, RTMT800. Type, disc brake. Size, 140, 160, 180, 203 mm. Braking system, hydraulic disc brake, hydraulic brake pad. Components, disc brake. Origin, JP Origin.